The Border Security Force, BSF, shot down 22 drones along the India-Pakistan border in Punjab and recovered 317 kilograms of heroin in 2022, a spokesperson said on Saturday. As per officials, most of the unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, were detected and captured by the BSF men deployed at the border. Smuggling of drugs, arms, ammunition and explosives via drones had started coming into notice in 2019. Though only one drone was shot down by the BSF in Punjab in 2021, the number saw a multifold jump by the end of 2022. In 2022, BSF men in the Punjab frontier maintained extremely high level of alertness and vigil, as a result of which, 22 drones were brought down, 316.988 kilograms heroin was seized, 67 weapons along with 850 rounds were recovered, 2 Pakistani intruders were killed and 23 Pakistan nationals apprehended in separate cases. Displaying humanitarian approach, we had also repatriated 9 Pakistani nationals, who had inadvertently crossed the border, the BSF spokesperson said. According to reports, drone sightings along the 289 km long India-Pakistan international border running along Jammu, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat was 77 in 2020, 104 in 2021 and 311 this year, till December 23. About 75% of these were detected in Punjab, where drones have majorly been used by the other side to push drugs and weapons into the Indian territory, the spokesperson added. In 2022, besides announcing 50,000 Indian rupees reward to the drone hitting party and 1 Indian rupee lakh to informers, the BSF took several other measures to tackle the drone incursions.